Okay, level one, balance. Balance is something that's related to strength. We have to be able to shift the body and build that strength in each leg, one at a time. And that's what creates our balance. After a while, we'll take those exercises and we'll bring the body into a little bit off-center position to create greater balance. So other muscles will jump in to support the body. Start here with level one and work on it until you become proficient at the exercises, and then, and only then, move on to level two.